You have 1 minute only. Sunil, collect all the pages. Now I am giving you the slips of topic and I'll give you some time to read this topic, and now I'm giving you, okay? Arun, collect all the slip. Now you have to give introduction about yourself. After that, you have to give your opinion about the topic. Okay? For this, I'll give some time. Jitendra, start.
My name is Jitendra. I am from Jodhpur. I have completed my 12th from Rajasthan Board Ajmer. I have my hobby is playing outdoor games and I want to join
Stop.
Indian Air Force.
Stop.
Friends, I am Jitendra Dan. I am from Jodhpur. I have completed my 12th from Rajasthan Board Ajmer. My hobby is playing outdoor games and I want to join Indian Air Force because it is most respectful job in our society and also good pay and perks. Now I want to express my view on given topic. Given topic is pollution. Pollution rate is increased day by day in our India, and India is the second largest country in our world. But and if we talk about our capital, the Delhi and worst condition of Delhi is and pollution rate is high in capital, and government should trying to reduce the pollution and many programs are launched to control the pollution in our capital and other states in India, and electric vehicles and many programs to reduce the pollution in India, and vehicles are
Stop. Next.
Good morning. My name is Sunil and I am doing BSc second year from MDSU University. And my hobby is playing cricket. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it is not only job but it is career after pass out 12. Now my view on the given topic is electric vehicle. As we are know that electric vehicle is they run by the electric and they don't need to the fuel oil. And as we are know that the India is the second largest population country, and it need to very highly rated vehicles, and the use of crude oil vehicles, the pollution is also increases, and in the most 10 cities, the most 20 cities in which 15 cities belongs to India in highly rated in pollution. And the Indian government in June 2019 announced.
Next.
My name is Kamlesh. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I have passed 12th class in 2018 from RBSc board. Now I am doing BSc second year from JNU University, Jodhpur. My hobbies are solving puzzles, playing cricket and watching movies. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a very big opportunity to serve the nation in early age, and it is the most respectful and honorable job in our society. I want to express my views on given topic. Pollution. There are many types of evils are increasing day by day in our country. Pollution is one of them. India is the second largest population country in all over the world.
Stop, everyone. Start.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Kamlesh. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I have passed 12th class in 2018 from RBSc board. Now I am doing BSc second year from JNU University, Jodhpur. My hobbies are solving puzzles, playing cricket and watching movies. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a very big opportunity to serve the nation in early age, and it is the most respectful and honorable job in our society. So I want to express my views on given topic, electronic vehicle. So there are many types of evils are increasing day by day in our country. India is the second largest population country in all over the world. So India needs a lot of electric vehicles, because electric vehicles also reduce air pollution, noise pollution, and also increase our environment. And our government also sold many electric vehicles from the year of 2030. And in many states, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and pollution are increasing day by day in our country. So electric vehicle is very important.
Next.
I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. I have passed class 12 from RBSc board. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading book. and I am doing a BA second year. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. I have passed class 12 from RBSE board. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gave us an adventurous and respectful life, and its dress attract to me. Now I want to express my views on given topic, and the topic is electrical vehicle. Electrical vehicle means use of a vehicle with electronic charging, and as we know that in India electric vehicles are increasing day by day, and it is the main reason of pollution increasing with air pollution and noise pollution. And if we use electric vehicle, then pollution are reduced. And Indian government said that India used all electrical vehicle by 2030, and electrical vehicles are very expensive, so it is very difficult for poor family to use it. And electronic vehicle are very
Jodhpur, I have done my art second with 85%. I'm doing B second year. My hobby is gardening and plantation. As well as in my free time, I help my father in farming. I want to join Indian Air Force because its uniform, adventure of life, and punctuality attract me. And as an airman, I want to touch the sky with glory. Now I express my view on given topic: electric vehicle. The India is the second largest country by the population, and the vehicles are increasing day by day because India is growing and make a developed country, and so the vehicle are pollution and burning the fuel. They create the carbon dioxide, and these create air pollution and noise pollution also. So Indian government also said that the Indian government sold the electric vehicle in India by the 2030, because after the air pollution, the many diseases are created in human bodies like the respiratory system and lungs cancer and asthma also.
Next.
All of you, my name is Anuj Yadav. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. I am doing BSc from LBS College. My father name is Mr. Pradeep Yadav. He is a farmer. My mother name is Mrs. Lakshmi Devi. She is a homemaker. My hobby is reading my academic books. My ambition is to join Indian Air Force and serve the nation. Now I want to express my views on the topic electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are the vehicles which run by electric power. In India today, electric vehicles is very necessary because the increasing in air pollution in metro cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, day by day pollution is increasing. No only air pollution but also noise pollution. The Indian government take action to run vehicle by 2030. So electric vehicles became necessary to India.
My name is Sumer Singh. I am doing BSc. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because after 12 it is the best way to serve your nation, and it is also my childhood dream. Now I want to express my views on given topic. Given topic is electric vehicle. India has second largest country in the world. The pollution rate of India is increasing day by day. It is bad for our country. To remove pollution, Indian government launched electrical vehicles. Electric vehicles are very expensive to buy, and people are not comfortable to buy. Indian government had launched many programs to reduce pollution by electrical vehicles. Electrical vehicles help to remove petrol and diesel vehicles, and it is helpful for our economy, and it gives employment, and it was very beneficial for our health, and our age was increased due to no pollution.
Next.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Arun Kumar. I am from Jaisalmer. I have passed 12th class in 2018 with 83%. Now I am doing BSc. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because after 12 this is the best opportunity to get a job, and I want to serve the nation through this post. I want to express my views on given topic electric vehicle. Electric vehicles mean it is run by the electric without crude oil, petrol and diesel. India is the largest population country in the world, and pollution is the major issue of our country. Vehicle also contribute 35% of our pollution in big cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata, and when government start many scheme like ODU scheme.
This opportunity that I am introducing myself in front of you. I am Arun Chaudhary from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My hobby is watering to plant. I am doing the BSc second year from Jodhpur. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is the best opportunity to get a job and I serve my nation. I want to express my views on given topic: electrical vehicle. Electrical vehicles. It means running by on battery system. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the electrical vehicle provision on June 2020. It is a very beneficial for increasing pollution in our country, and it is based on electrical current system. So our country is a importing country.
Next.
Giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Pawan Gansi. I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan. My hobby is playing cricket. I am doing BSc third year from MDS University Ajmer. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is the most dignified way to lead a healthy life and serve the motherland with utmost pride and honor. I want to explain my views. Given topic is electrical vehicles. Electric vehicles refer to a system in which vehicles is run by the electrical and charging system. India is the second largest population country in the world, and it is definitely to reduce the time for work. Vehicles is necessary for all women's beings, and in India mostly vehicles run by the fuel and it is necessary to change in the way of electrical vehicles. In June 2019, Indian government announced that only electric vehicles will sold in India in 2030. Electrical vehicles reduce air pollution and noise pollution also.
Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Gomaram Sahu. I am from Badmi, Rajasthan. My father name is Mr. Pokram Sahu. He is a farmer. I have passed my 12th with 88% from RBS board. Now I am doing BSc second year from JNU University, Jodhpur. I want to join Indian Air Force because this is the best opportunity to get a job, and I want to serve my nation through this post. I want to serve. Now I want to express my views on given topic, and given topic is electrical vehicles. The India is second largest populated country in our world, and the needed of vehicles day by day increasing in our country. The fuel vehicles is also increasing pollution in our country, noise pollution, air pollution, and so it is beneficial for our country. Electrical vehicle is reducing pollution, and the PM Narendra Modi announced that in 2013 electrical vehicles is started in our country.
Next.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sagar and I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father name is Mr. Narayan Ram and he is farmer. I have completed 12th class and now I am doing graduation from JNU University, Jodhpur. I want to join in Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream and I want to serve for my nation through this post. I want to express my view on given topic, and given topic is electronical vehicles. Electronical vehicles which are run through electronical charge with a battery system and without petrols and diesel. Electric vehicles are needed in India is very high because India is the second largest populated country in the world. Normal vehicles also emitted many gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, also to increase the global warming and increase the pollution level in India, air pollution, noise pollution, and also India also announced that in 2019 that India also sold.
My name is Takat Singh. I belong to Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. I have passed 12th class in 2018 and now I am doing final year graduation. My hobby is solving puzzles and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because its uniform and discipline attract me, and I want to do technical work with defense system through this post. Now I want to express my view on the given topic: electric vehicles. Electric vehicles refer to a vehicle which is run by electricity and not need to any type of petroleum fuel like diesel and petrol. And electrical vehicle is a good invention of science, and
it is help us to save our environment, because India is a second largest populated country in world, and the pollution problem is increasing day by day, and electrical vehicle is a good way to save our environment. And like our Indian government also announced a policy to, or in India.
Stop here sometime for GD.
Hello,
No
friend.
one will try to fight. First of all, listen to me.
Hello, we are going to discuss on GD.
I have not finished yet. Electrical vehicle which was taken by the Indian government or not. Okay, and what is your opinion? You are getting my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
First of all, don't fight, listen. Have a patience also. Okay?
Friends, we are going to discuss our topic electrical vehicles. Electronic vehicles means vehicles are run through electronical charges with battery system without petrolical fuels like petrol and diesel. Electronical vehicle also Indian government want to sold in India by 2020 on electronical vehicles. Electronical vehicle also reduce the pollution system, and India also promised in 2016 in Paris Agreement that India also vehicles will be replaced normal vehicle to electronical vehicle by 2030.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you, because according to me, electric vehicle is very good for our country, because India is the second largest population country in all over the world. So India leads a lot of electric vehicles, because electric vehicles also reduce air pollution, noise pollution, and also improve our environment.
Yes.
So through electric vehicles, India cannot depend on other countries.
Yes, my friend. According to me, electronic vehicles is very useful for us because it is less weight in electric vehicles, and also comfortable for us. We can, in one charge we can running with in 60 kilometer.
Yes, my friend, according to me, it is a beneficial step to taken by our government, because our government is import the crude oil with the 85% to other countries, and it is also helpful to reduce the crude oil import.
Gentlemen, in my opinion, I strongly believe that normal vehicles emitted many types of gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and pollution of air pollution, noise pollution, also causes of many diseases like lung diseases, diabetes, and replacement of electronical vehicles also reduces.
Yes, my friend, you are right. And according to my opinion, the electric vehicle is good boon for India, because India is developing country and sends into the developed country. So the employment are increasing, and the men are becoming richer by the day, and they are brought and by the vehicles day by day. So these are vehicle burning the fuel, and they emitted the harmful gases, and these gases are increasing the temperature of our earth, and also these created many pollution like air pollution, and their sound also creating air pollution and noise pollution, and these air pollution also created the many diseases like the asthma and lung cancer and skin cancers.
Yes, my friend, you are right. Air pollution is the most problem for in India, and air pollution and noise pollution two of them. Air pollution is mostly increased by the reduce the focus of smoke of the vehicles. In India mostly depended on the oil export from other countries, and fuel vehicles reduce the smokes, and it created sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, which damage to ozone layer and increase the rate of global warming.
Gentlemen, in my opinion, I strongly believe that we are live in the era of digitally, and electronic vehicle also a part of digital, and India also want to become a superpower of the world by 2030, also help in the economical growth of India, because India also reduce the imports of oil in a foreign country.
Yes, my friend, you are right. Because the crude oil and diesels and petrol are fetching by the other countries, and the tax are increasing because the intra-country taxes are increasing day by day because countries are not allowing their production to sell by the India, and so the electric vehicle is good for because if we once time expand all the electric vehicle and then the solar plates are established with them, so they charging and the charge by the battery, the electric vehicle are working. So the renewable batteries and electric vehicles are good for our India.
Yes, my friend, India have a big problem of fuel. It imports other countries and it is decrease our tax. It is increase in our taxes, and if we use electronic vehicles, then it reduces the problem of imports of fuel. And as we know that the rate of diesel petrol are increasing day by day, then electronic vehicle use they decrease the rate of diesel and petrol.
Yes, my friend. According to me, it is a big challenge in front of the government to change the place of normal vehicle to the electric vehicle, because of the need of the electric charger station and also the many changes in the electric vehicle, because they are not affordable to the normal vehicles.
Yes, my friend. He said that condition of road in India was very bad and not proper plan to remove old petrol diesel vehicle. Before electric vehicle, Indian government makes proper roads and after launch electrical vehicles.
Yes, my friend, you are right. According to me, electrical vehicles main aim to reduce pollution and clean our environment. And there are many benefits of electrical vehicles that India is no need to import diesel and petrol in other countries. So this is the boost our economic.
Yes, my friend.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you, and according to me, electric vehicle is a boon for our country because India is a developing country and electric vehicle replacing from other vehicles, because other vehicles also increasing many harmful gases. So it is a major cause of many diseases like asthma, lung cancer, skin cancer. So electric vehicle is very good to reduce many diseases and pollution.
Yes, according to me, when we live in an undeveloped country, then we cannot drink pure water, and when we live in a developed country, then we cannot breathe pure air. And electrical vehicle policy is to reduce pollution, and we can and it save our life from many type of disease like influenza, skin cancer.
Yes, my friend.
Yes, my friend, you are correct. To make a country for superpower. Superpower, it is necessary for to careful about environment. In India, fuel vehicles are reduced many gases, and to make rate the polluted for environment. Electric vehicle is necessary for to replacing by the fuel vehicles.
According to me, electrical vehicle is very expensive for our poor families, and it is not useful. And the charging plants are very expensive for government, and government cannot starting the charging plants in our and many trees are cut in a field because the charging plants are established in an area.
Yes, air pollution is the most.
Now, power stop.
Electrical system has facing many challenges as electric station every some distance, and it is a electricity gain for India is a developing country gain the electric charge at some distance, and common people cannot purchase the electrical vehicle because they are
Yes, very fast.
Yes, my friend, you are right. And according to me, that if we once time expand, because if we brought the diesel
Satish,
vehicle,
stop.
Yes, my country and the number of people are increasing day by day. It is the cause of pollution, not only air and but noise pollution, and many gases also reduce also.
Yes,
Yes.
electronic vehicle is dependent on only electricity, but fuel vehicles is totally dependent on oil, petrol, and oil petrol is a long process. We cannot.
Now stop. What is the conclusion? One word.
In my opinion, electric vehicles is a good initiative by our government to reduce air pollution and many diseases causing due to
Opinion for well equipped environment, electronical wise also a helpful or become a superpower of the world. It also increase the GDP level of our country. Electronical wise also
Stop.
helpful and